What is going on today, guys? Today we are going on another cruise. Not taking the Mini again, we're taking the red BMW this time. So let's go grab that. There we go. There we go. Okay, I've got the car. We gotta get gas though. It's at half a tank. It definitely will not survive all the way down to wherever we're meeting, down in like Arvada or something, on half a tank. And I gotta check engine light. Wonderful. That will probably turn off by the time I fill up because that's how this car do. But yeah, so gas. $2.69 a gallon, jeez. We're not doing a full tank, we're doing a partial tank. There we go. I also happen to pick apparently the slowest filling station in the world. I'm probably gonna put in 2 or 3 gallons and that's it. Okay, 3.5. 3.6, a little under 10 bucks. I'll top it off more fully once we get closer to the start of the cruise. Because it's got 85 in it, but I want to run it with 91 and see how it does. It's so smoky in Colorado right now. So there's a fire right there that you can see. There's another one burning a little bit further north right there. And then there's another one burning even further north. There's currently 3 huge fires burning in Colorado. Today is October 20th. So right now we have the Calwood fire burning just outside my actual house. There is the Cameron Peak, which is the largest wildfire in Colorado history. And the Left Hand Canyon fire started on Sunday. So in other words, yeah, we're kind of on fire. We don't like it. Anyway, we're getting close to where the drive starts. We got about 30 minutes. Colorado may be on fire, but that doesn't make it not the most beautiful state. I think that was English. I think that made sense. Oh, here comes a little fun spot. The squigglies at 30 miles an hour. So we're gonna take it at 60. Look at that, that's pretty. I love this car. I made a really good choice in picking a little back road instead of picking a front road because I wouldn't have got to do that on the front road, main road, that word. I'm about 11 minutes out. I wasn't paying attention. C8 pulled up right behind me. Okay. That says check engine oil. At least I broke down at a good spot. Okay, stay up please. No. And it doesn't help if the hood doesn't want to stay up now. There's a dipstick. I don't have paper towels. Let me look for one. Okay, there's a rag. There's no oil back here. Normally he has oil in the car. I'm guessing this has happened before. Don't burn yourself. There's no oil in the car. Well, that's fun. I just checked again, and it's, okay, focus. You're not gonna focus, are you? You can see it sitting a little over that bottom one, but barely. I don't know what oil this car takes, which is an issue, otherwise I'd go buy some right now. Okay, here's the idea. There's a corner market just down there. I'm gonna hope that it has oil, because if that corner market doesn't have oil, I'm okay, I just looked, it says it needs 5 weight 20 oil. There's a car show going on here and I didn't realize that. So that's cool. I should grab the key out of the car, that'd be smart. Synthetic. They have traditional, they do not have traditional. Shouldn't need more than a quart. Oh wait, is that regular? Okay, I have oil. Oh, that's a badass Corvette. That's a really badass Corvette. Yeah, this car show is unexpected and cool. Okay. I made it. Now I just gotta find somebody to. Oh! Hey, who wants to help me with my oil? Shut up, Sam.
Okay, that was cool.
What?
I like that whole platform.
Oh.
Yeah.
You like this?
Whoa. Yeah, it's real cool, man.
It's fancy.
Like that anymore.
There he comes. That thing is awesome.
That is badass. Hey, what is it, man? Obviously it's Japanese.
Suzuki Cappuccino.
That's tight, bro. That's fucking insane.
Yeah, right side drive and all. What do you have in the hood? 2 squirrels and a chipmunk. 2 squirrels and a little whistle. Yeah.
Never even heard of it, man.
I bet you the catch is locked in.
yet. I think I can make it without even turning on the car. We'll see.
That's good. Oh,
back it up a little bit.
Go back a little bit.
I don't have to turn it on to do that.
Just a tiny bit. That's good. How much is this weigh?
2 pounds.
Yeah.
Sam is jealous. The gas MPG.
I think we should all buy these.
Yeah.
Yes.
53
For the amount,
miles
for what they cost, we could all get.
Pop the hood. I want to see what's underneath the hood. That's awesome. Oh, you got space. You could probably put a V6 in there, for maybe.
Turbocharger at least.
This turbo.
Another one.
Add a supercharger.
Yeah.
Supercharger.
Oh yeah, super turbo. There you go.
He said that they sell kits that you can bring it up to like 200 horse.
That's terrifying, actually.
I'd be a little scared with that.
So small, it has one.
And the windshield wipers are useless because on high they still move about this fast.
Okay, those tires are like stupid aggressive for this thing. Coffee hour.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, you weren't joking when you said it's the only thing that fits in the trunk.
Pack for a week if you
Yeah, but Archer with the roof on doesn't work.
Yeah,
Do you fit in it with the roof on?
I do.
That was a question mark.
Yeah.
Oh no, you said you went over a bump and hit your head, right?
I want to see you drifted at least once.
Why are the rear brakes bigger than the front brakes?
Maybe it does. Okay. Maybe it'd flip over on its nose if it was.
Yeah, where we go?
Yeah. That way.
That way.
I don't know. Okay. I'm just following the person in front of me.
Same.
Radio check.
That is seriously the best thing in the world. Hey, look. No engine oil warning. We like that. That's stupid and I love it. That car should not make that noise.
Contact. Contact.
Oh my god, I'm just gonna be hearing the most obnoxious blow-off sound from the smallest car in the world. Some of that was English, I think. Okay. Anyways, we're off on another beautiful Colorado road. Squiggly roads. We like squiggly roads. Drop it down in a second. There we go, squiggly roads. Traffic! I hate traffic! We're stuck in traffic. Super, go! Oh, I'm sliding. I wasn't sliding, but I was like pushing through it. We got squiggly roads.
For sale.
What? Something's for sale. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I will be for another few years.
Trash. Garbage. When I said I want a vet, a C4 is not what I meant.
Alright, cool. Are you eating gas already? What?
Archer, there's a gas station.
Oh, I'm good. I filled up already. He gets 65 miles per gallon. Maybe we hit 2 of those. I'm jealous of that gas pallet.
Harvey! You can hear it echoing. That thing is the stupidest thing in the world, and now I really want one.
Cappuccino is louder than Miata.
For just a brief second, we popped above the tree line. It's stupid bright, but at the same time, that's so gorgeous. Look at that. Damn.
I did this road Saturday. 60-mile-an-hour winds right here.
Ooh, 60-mile-an-hour winds right here. Jeez. Okay, we're stuck in traffic, so we're gonna back up, and then we're gonna make a good noise, and then we're gonna stop. Go. The overrun on this thing is amazing. Oh, it sounds so good. I love this car. Oh, here comes a little twisty. I'll get this twisty on video for you guys.
I'm doing really good.
That's amazing. Oh God, I feel bad for these people. I could not imagine being behind that thing. That must be miserable. Photo spot. Photos are cool up here. Oh man, I didn't realize just how small the Mini was. Jeez.
It's tiny.
Yeah. Dang.
So I'm partially deaf.
Okay, we're gonna break up the drone in 3, 2, 1. No cars. Try not get killed. Get a sick photo. We have a cool group. Big, medium, small. How did y'all manage to park 3 Japanese cars in the American flag colors? Hey. Hey. No shooting. Damn. Can't commit a murder out here. I want food, I'm hungry. I'm just gonna follow again. Okay, jump in the car. Go, 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 go. Start it. Where's the key? What the hell did I do with the key? I've lost the key. In the time it took me to find my keys and reattach the battery lead that came unplugged, they left me. So rude. I managed to catch up though. Barely. We also left Phil behind. Sorry, Phil. Okay, there's a toolbox. I don't know if you can even see me right now. There's a toolbox in the trunk of my car, and every time I take a corner, you hear it slide around like that? Yeah, it's like really messing with the weight of the car. I probably shouldn't be cruising with a toolbox, but at the same time, it's an old German car, so it might just break. Traffic! Traffic! That Subaru has like purple LEDs running along the underside of it, but it's not underglow. It's just like weird, cool purple LEDs. Like, look at that. Interesting. Cool. Okay. Look at that sunset. Damn, Colorado. Damn. It is night. It is like dark, dark. Which means it's time for my Need for Speed playlist. Give me any light. I have no clue how little that helps. Probably none. But we are headed to dinner. We're in Golden. I have no clue where we're going. I'm following the person in front of me. That's how I do these cruises. I follow in front of me, and if I get lost, I cry. Yeah, let's go get dinner. I'm starving. See ya. I need my wallet. I should probably, yeah, it's hard to pay without a wallet. Y'all got enough food there?
Too much.
That looks really good. It does look really good. I think we all have the exact same thing, just in different forms.
Yeah, you just described a Mexican restaurant.
Dude, AZ ones are stupid expensive because they have butterfly doors. That's the only reason they're so expensive.
Oh shit, we went.
I did not realize we parked in order from size.
Look at us.
Nice.
That turned out phenomenally. Look at that giant Miata behind it.
Why is the seatbelt down over there?
It's so I can put the camera in there without it flying around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I do it in the Mini too. It's really smart. It's the only smart thing I've done. Be gone. Yeah. I love the way that thing sounds. It's a stupid blow-off valve. Yeah. There we go. This is the best thing in the world. And here we are, rolling back up to my car. Coming in hot. And here we are, back in the biggie. Big Mini. Starts right up. Nice and reliable. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here because I don't really have anything else to vlog tonight. So, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, Goodbye.